So I actually haven't been in the house for about 3 months. It's taken 5 months to go through, so I've kind of forgotten how bad it could be. Hi, I'm Jack and I run the interiors account Jack D. March. You're probably thinking, if you've seen my account, why am I stood in front of a bland wall? Because I love colour. But this is my latest project. It is in York and it's going to be our holiday let. It's going to be colourful, it's going to sleep 6 to 8 people, so it's a lot of work. So in the lounge, I'm going black. So you can see what it looks like on the wall. You might have to cut this bit out. The beauty of the lick samples is you can literally get an idea of what the colour looks like. I'm going eggshell throughout just because old walls need that little bit of sheen to hide the imperfections, I always think. So of course Dave, my partner, is helping me with the design, which meant this time around, because obviously I've got the black lounge at home, didn't really take as much convincing because, do you know what? He is very, very good in his field, but he's not creative at all, so I'm always just like, why argue with me? Leave it to me. I am God. My style is quite eclectic. I love pattern, blue and white, collect things, so antiques, and I like to sort of bridge that fine line between modern and old, create that juxtaposition of period features and period design, but something that's still quite livable. Just because this is an Airbnb or a holiday let, as Dave keeps saying, holiday let, not an Airbnb, it's a holiday let. It would be still very much like coming to stay in our house. Every room is going to be what I would do to that room if we lived here. So it's very much is going to be come and stay with me. I just won't be here. Across the hall is going to be the dining room. So my initial idea for in here, I was to do like a kitchen garden sort of vibe, like green ceiling, quite neutral walls, and then have like the ladder over the table here with the faux foliage and lights. But I don't know whether it's maybe evolved a little bit more. So I may have to bring the green down. I'm hoping this isn't going to be too much work, this room. Famous last words. The idea was that we were going to get a little 2-bed apartment, which is going to be easy to sort out, easy to renovate, but we ended up with this because Dave went property shopping. So I still have to do this around my everyday job. So we're hoping about 6 to 8 weeks we're open for summer, but yeah, I've still got a full-time job on top of this. So this is going to be the double room and the chintz is going. So all of this will be black. It's going to be quite an atmospheric bedroom on this wall. So this, up to the picture rail, this wall is all going to be black. And then above the picture rail and the ceiling, we are going into just a really soft pink, like just literally a touch. But I've done it in my own bedroom at home. My bedroom ceiling at home is pink one. And when the light catches it, it just gives such a warmer and cozier feel. If I can reach, I should have brought a ladder. So you can see it's a very, very subtle pink. And then this wall, because it's opposite the door, when you walk in, it's going to be this bold stripe, just to tie in the black and the white, and the other walls will be white as well. So that's this room. And obviously the curtains will be swapped out for something much nicer. And then this one is going to be like a twin room. So in here I'm going with like a sage and cream stripe wallpaper. The rest of the wall's sage green. It's going to have quite a sort of like an English country garden, chintzy, but grown up vibe in here. carpet's going. Although obviously it needs to be done to a high spec, we don't have an endless pot of money to spend on this. It is sort of like going to be us rolling our sleeves up and getting involved and getting all the painting done. And every bit of DIY that we can do, we'll be doing. The builders are literally just doing the wall building and the plumbing and stuff like that. The carpet, I know, is beautiful, but it's not staying. So the attic room is a really good space, but it's one of them sort of Achilles heel for me. I'm never really sure what to do with the peaks and shapes, so I'm gonna sort of embrace it with like a bold wallpaper and just sort of use the same colours on the walls and the ceiling to sort of have that cohesion. And in this corner here, we're gonna have a bathroom. So in here there will be a shower, a toilet and a sink with a view of York Minster. I'm not doing like this watered down Airbnb blandness. It is gonna be fully what I would do at home. It's gonna be the bold colours, it's gonna be the bold prints, and it's gonna be go bold or go home basically. And it's a really good start. I can't even get into the tin. My helper is Edgar.
We've got another roll of this, right?
I'm going on yours with one.
I think this could be the worst DIY day.